SEO in 5 minutes. What is SEO and how does it work? In today's video, we're going to talk about SEO and how it works. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. When someone searches for a specific keyword, search engines scan millions of websites. They then display the most relevant and high-quality results. SEO helps your website rank higher and appear on the first page of search results. This is important because most users rarely click beyond the first page. So, how does SEO work? First, search engines use crawlers to analyze websites and understand their content. They look for keywords, meta tags, and other elements that determine a website's relevance. Based on this analysis, search engines determine how your website should rank. Next, search engines consider the quality and authority of the website. They analyze factors like backlinks, social signals, and user engagement. The more reputable and trustworthy your website, the higher it will rank. Moreover, search engines take into account the user experience of your website. They look for fast loading times, mobile friendliness, and easy navigation. This is why having an optimized website design is crucial for SEO. Now, let's talk about the different types of SEO. There are two main categories: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's content, meta tags, and HTML elements. This helps search engines understand what your website is about. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, focuses on building backlinks and increasing your website's authority. Both types of SEO are important and should be part of your overall strategy. Lastly, let's discuss some best practices for SEO. Create high-quality and unique content that provides value to your audience. Optimize your website's titles, meta descriptions, and headers with relevant keywords. Don't forget to include alt text for your images. Make your website mobile-friendly and ensure fast loading speeds. Build quality backlinks from reputable websites in your industry. And finally, regularly monitor and analyze your website's performance using SEO tools. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like and share this video.